Morning. We've got landscaping rocks coming today. Oh, oh gosh. Oh no. So hopefully he's going to be okay if he saw me. I'm getting all the cars out of the way. We thought there was enough room for this truck, but there's not. Good fun?
Not much noise coming through here.
My dad will be happy that that's gone though. He hates those trees.
Whoa, that's giant.
Wow, look at the huge rocks. Aren't they so cool? Alright, stand out of the way in case it rolls on you, Shani. Come over here. Over here. Uh-oh. Whoa! Pardon?
Hopefully they don't crack when they fall.
Oh, oh please don't crack.
No.
Right, so we've got to decide what's going where real quick because he wants to know. Look at these gorgeous rocks. Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
How excited out of 10?
Oh, that's so spooky.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
We're going to need some more.
Hello.
Do you love it? Are you excited, Shani? This is going to be the play rock, so we're going to put that down in the future. Well, we're kind of working on a play area. We've got the workings of a swing going on.
I don't only need one rock. I need all of these rocks.
Do you?
Yeah. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming.
We've got another truck, well, tractor coming. I don't know what this thing's called. And a machine coming, and he's going to move the rocks for us. Look at you on Pride Rock. It seems heavy. I wonder if it's too heavy to move it. Yeah, true. Oh gosh. Pardon?
It's going to be comfort for her.
Oh, look at that ray of sun coming through there. It looks so cool. I think if you can dig it, is it a pain to get this like iceberg part into the ground?
Yeah.
And then get that top bit as the flat bit? Last rock. We'll take it down there. Is that alright? Yep. So, if it's sort of like there. Oh, you might have done that on purpose.
And Mum, if I miss.
Oh no! This one's a bugger because it's got such a round bottom on it.
Very hard.
Mm.
You can just be like, woo woo.
Oh yeah, got it. So which face are you looking at?
I think the flat face.
That's a good face.
We need to dig it in a bit, don't we? Will I tell him?
Yeah.
I think we need to dig it in a little bit. Well, that kind of looks cool like that, doesn't it? Should we just leave it like that? Do you like that face rather than the flat one, or do you want the flat one?
I just think it's flat so people can see it.
Yeah.
You just want to put stuff in there.
Oh, hang on, that's the wrong spot. Hey, this is the right spot here.
Where it is now.
Yeah, sorry. It's that flat bit under there. The flat bit that's underneath is what we'd like as the top, if that's possible.
Yep.
Like what it's sitting on. Thank you.
And then 200 falls to work.
So that's just a bit of fun. We're putting in our landscaping rocks and we love them. That was our Christmas present to ourselves. So I'll show you how they look now that they're in. And over time we'll do some things with them. We'll do some landscaping around them, and the big one that we put in first is going to have a big sand pit next to it for the kids. So I'll show you how they look, and then I will do another video later on with a follow-up. So thanks so much for watching. Please give me a like, subscribe if you'd like to follow along with our progress here on the farm, and thank you very much.